Hello everyone. Today we got a patient, 30 years old. He came for review. This is his photograph before. SMART FUE. This is the angle front, side, and this is the back. So he did hair transplant SMART FUE with us on the 18th of 7th of 2020. And today he came for review. And this is his photograph today. 3 months and 1 week. This is the front. This is the front and the side, and this at the back. 26th of October. And this is the combination photograph of 4 angles taken before and after. And today he's here and we're going to ask a few questions and what is the result all about.
I visit on a website in Google and I see many clinic review, but I found Glojas is the best clinic in Malaysia because the Google review is better than all of them, and also there's a customer review was so fantastic. And I went to the Glojas. I consult with Dr. Jas, and I was very much impressed, and I really impressed because Dr. Jas is the only one person. It's American Board of Restoration Surgery, and he's now actually is a fellow. So I think, is my opinion, he's the best doctor in Malaysia, and this is the best place to do the hair transplant. And also I'm very much impressed to see my result, and I can see the lot of difference, and I got so many good compliments from my friends. I'm really appreciate and really impressed actually. So in my suggestion, whoever suffering is same problem as like me, you guys can come for consultation. It's Glojas here International, and you can do the consultation with Dr. Jas.